Okay, good morning, class 6. Today I will start a new chapter, chapter 4, the word processor, mail merge. Okay, so in chapter 3, we have discussed about the tabular presentations in Microsoft Word, where we discuss about how to create a table in Microsoft Word. So this chapter is the continuations of chapter 3 itself, because we are discussing about the different features that are used in Microsoft Word processor. All right, so in chapter 3 we have discussed about how to make a tabular presentations, how to make a table, how to insert table, how to insert a row and a column, how to edit, how to insert text, all these things we have discussed. So here we will be discussing about the mail merge. Mail merge means it's like whenever you want to create a multiple copies the same document, then you use a mail merge. All right, so when your content remain the same and you need a number of copies, right, that time we require a mail merge. Okay, so like for example, your birthday invitations, okay, or your official letter, or your marriage invitation, wedding invitations. So like the content will remain the same. The only thing is that you need to change the address of the recipients. Okay, in such cases we use Microsoft Word Processor Mail Merge, right? So when we talk about a mail merge, you have to remember three things. Okay, one is the main document, one is the data source, and one is the merging the main document with the data source. This main document and data source, we have to first create this two. After you finish creating this two, then you can start merging this two document. All right, now what is the main document? The main document means your letter, your content. All right, so to create a main document, you have to click on mailing tab here in this. Here you can see a mailing tab and start a mail merge. Okay, and you start step by step mail merge visit. Here the steps have been given. Please have a look. Page number 41. All right, page number 41. Start mail merge, step by step visit. Right, then the mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the document window, showing step 1 of the 6. Select letter under the select document type. Here the select document type, you have to choose letter. After that you have to click on next, starting the document. All right, once you click on starting a document, you will see this menu. Use the current document. After that, select recipients. After you finish that, you have to click on type a new list and create. So children, these are the steps that you need to follow when you have to create mail merge. Okay, when you are going to create a mail merge, these steps you have to follow, right? So after that, write your letter. You have to type your letter. All right, then comes the data source. So as I told you, data source contains the name of the recipients. All right, uh, where you have to enter the address of the recipients, the address of your friends and relatives. Okay, so here when you click on a new address list from the customize column, you can click on the customize address list. Okay, then you click OK. Here you see this new list address list dialog box, and here you see the number of address lists which you can customize it. Like you can add and you can delete. Okay, so like there are so many fields which can be removed, and if you want some more, if you want to add some more, you can edit, you can add also. Okay, so here after you finish customizing your address list, you can start typing the name and the address of the recipients that you want to send the invitation letter. All right, here you can enter in, you can click on new entry, or you can delete the entry also. You can customize the column also. You want to remove certain columns, certain fields, you can remove from this figure 7. Okay, have a look. So this is how you create a data source. So children, before I continue further, just have a look at these IT nuggets. Use an existing list and type a new list. What is the difference? Use an an existing list. This option is helpful when the list of recipients already exists. Like when you use this option, when you have already created a mail match and when your address is already there in your computer system and you have already saved it in mail match, then you can choose use an existing list, or select from Outlook content is also there. There's one more option. This option is helpful if you want to select recipients from your Microsoft Outlook contact list. If the contact list is there in your computer Microsoft Outlook, then you can select it from here. Okay, these are the options. And facts. If the address list exists in one of the worksheet in MS Excel, MailMerge lets you select the worksheet that contains the address list. One more option is there. If your address lists are already there in Microsoft Excel worksheet, then you can always merge that address list with your MailMerge so that you don't have to keep entering the data one after another. Is that clear? So today I will discuss till here. Okay, next time I will discuss, in my next class I will discuss how to save the recipients list, the address list, and how to merge the main document with the data source. Okay, till then please go through chapter 4, page number 41 to 44. Go through it, and if you have your computer or a laptop, you can just see the mail merge option and just try how to create at least a main document. Okay children, see you in the next class.